Time for a look at your West Tennessee forecast with meteorologist Brian Davis.
Welcome in, everyone, on a Friday night. Hope you had a great day so far. Still cooler than normal. Our normal would be in the low 90s. We've been in the upper 80s. I know my family, we took a little ride out in the evening there, went out on the back porch, took a little ride on the golf cart, and the breeze blowing, it felt kind of like a fall-like night. I mean, it was really pleasant out there. So hope you guys got a chance to get out there and enjoy the weather too. And we still got one more day that's going to be kind of decent. Yes, it'll have some showers and thunderstorms in there too, but we'll get lots of breaks in between the rain tomorrow, and there'll be some really nice times in there as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our weather. We'll take a look at that almanac. Check this out. We only topped out at 79 degrees. And so very nice, very pleasant weather for today. I think I said upper 80s. I meant upper 70s. So there you have it, 79. That was our official high out at the airport. Normal high this time of the year would be 90. So that's about 11 degrees below the normal. 101 record set this day in history back in 1965. And we're gradually catching up on our deficit. We've gone from 8 inches below normal to about 6.5 inches. And hopefully we'll add a little bit to that to play catch up tomorrow with some of the rain out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at our currents out there. 75 in Savannah. Very luring night, I must say. That looks like something I'd like to walk out into. How about UT Martin? Yeah, we'll take a little look here. 72 degrees. And as we take a look at Memphis, coming in at 79, they've been the warm spot across the mount much of today, but even then, still on the very much cool side. Trenton coming in at 73 degrees. Yes, looks very nice out there. And across the board, mostly in those low 70s. Look at Camden coming in at 70 right now. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. And we're not even at the lowest low right now. So you guys will likely get into the upper 60s. We've got 72 in Union City, 72 in Trenton, 72 in Ripley and Henderson. 75 right now in Selmer, 72 in Somerville, and again in the Memphis area coming in at 79. And those winds are a lot less than they were just a couple of hours ago, but they're still blowing out of the northeast for most of us there, about 5, sometimes 10 miles per hour. You can catch a nice breeze going on. Let's take a look at the radar. There's not much on the radar, but believe it or not, we do have some of the remnants of Tropical Storm Bertha that's going to be coming through. You can see this cold front, that's the blue line, kind of buckling up, kind of pushing to the northeast towards Springfield and Little Rock, and that's going to be coming our way. And we got a surface low that's going to develop along with that frontal boundary that's going to help to decorate the radar a little bit more as we go into tomorrow. But yeah, it looks like a nice dry night for us before any rain tries to start to move in for tomorrow. Here's a look at the surface mount. It's not going to be very organized. And, on this surface mount, when you see the lighter green, that's, usually very scattered, very widespread. The scattered, it's the dark green areas that show the heavier rain. And you can see that's not indicated over West Tennessee for tomorrow. So it'll be some little patchy areas of some heavy downpours, but as far as, real concentrated all across West Tennessee, no, it's only going to be about half of the area that would get a downpour tomorrow, and even that is not going to last all day. Here's a look at our severe weather outlook for tomorrow. That looks good because, number one, it's on the lowest risk to the north, so not too problematic there. But look at West Tennessee and the entire southeast, not a severe weather outlook anywhere nearby. And as we go into Sunday, looking good too. Now be careful if you did have a trip to Minneapolis or up to the north there, Iowa, some of those areas, there is a 2 out of level 5 there. So that's it. Looking nice and quiet for the weekend here. Let's go ahead and take a look at Futurecast. Futurecast does bring a few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in the morning. There's 7 a.m. Then a little break in that afternoon. Here's around 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then here's 5, 6, 7 o'clock. So you see, not everybody's getting scattered storms. It'll be just, far and few, but the ones that do will get some heavy downpours for 30 minutes to an hour, and then it'll move on. Sunday doesn't look too impressive either. But again, there's the morning hours. And then as we head into about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, there's looks kind of concentrated along I-40, and then south of I-40, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. But that's about it. Then just a handful of little showers there comes in on Sunday as it looks right now. So it is far from a rain out of a weekend, that's for sure. So we're going to wake up with a small possibility of shower or thunderstorm, especially if you're in the I-40 areas or points north, Union City over to like Paris. You guys stand a better chance of getting a little bit of rain there in the morning. But again, lots of long breaks between any of that rain. So overall, we'll call it about a C on the morning grade there, but still going to wind up being a pretty decent weekend for summer. Overall odds there for tomorrow in the weekend forecast, 60%, and we'll go up to 89, so a little bit warmer than it was today. And then we'll drop to about 71 for the overnight low. Again, 60% chance of showers and storms. The larger amount of that percentage is mainly weighted towards the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Then we'll develop some patchy fog for early Sunday morning. It'll get to about 93 for the high, 74 for the low, and just a small chance of a patchy shower or two as we head into Sunday afternoon. It looks very limited, though. I think we'll wind up getting a mostly dry day. And then Monday, yes, it's going to be hot, mid-90s return, which takes us on into the 7-day forecast. So again, let's check out Monday. It's going to turn the heat back up on us. And then on Tuesday, we're in the upper 90s, probably going to have a heat advisory. It could have it for both days there on Monday and Tuesday. It'll depend on the dew point and the humidity and so forth. That's going to determine whether we get a heat advisory with those temperatures. And then we're going to drop off a little bit back to the normal highs for this time of the year of 93 for both Wednesday, Thursday. It looks like we'll hold it there in the low 90s for Friday. All right, guys, hope you're having a great Friday night so far. That's going to wrap it up for our 10 o'clock weather update. Thanks as always for watching West Tennessee Weather Channel. We'll see you back next time. Take care.
We are West Tennessee Weather Channel.